Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You've already signed in and created the Google site. Now begin. First, pick the exact page or element you want a link from and copy its page path or note its destination. Once done, open the Google Sites editor and click the text box, image, or button you'll use as the link anchor. Make sure the element is selected visibly. This avoids accidental edits later. Then click the link icon in the toolbar to open the link dialog and prepare the destination field. Now insert and configure the link so it behaves as you expect. Paste the full URL or type the page name and pick the matching page from the site suggestions. This ensures relative linking that survives domain changes. Once added, choose whether the link opens in the same tab or a new tab to control user flow. Make sure to add a descriptive link title for accessibility. Finally, switch to preview to click the link and confirm navigation works before publishing. Finish by publishing your changes and verifying live behavior. Click Publish, confirm the web address and visibility settings, then open the live site and test the link. If the link fails, recheck the URL for typos, ensure the destination page is published and visible, and confirm permissions if it's restricted. Once fixed, clear cache or test in an incognito window to eliminate local caching issues. A quick troubleshooting tip: if links appear correct but still
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.